What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to send money from Wise to bank account. First thing you should do is to open Wise application on your phone or Wise website on your PC. After that, you'll have to create an account. Now, once you finish creating your email, you will have to log in with your account. After logging in, it will show you this home page right here. All you have to do is to click on send right here. After that, it will ask you if you want to send money internationally or with the same currency. So I'm gonna click on international. Then here, as you can see, you will have the currency that you're going to send and the recipient's currency and how much money will he get. And you can also change the currency of the recipient if you want by clicking on the arrow right here and choose whatever currency or country you want. After you put the amount that you want, click on continue. After clicking on continue, now you have three options. You have myself, someone else, and business or charity. Now we want to send it to someone, so choose someone else. After that, it will ask you to enter their account details. So the first case, if you don't know his bank account details, you can simply enter their email and enter some information about him: full name of the account holder, bank name, country, account number, city, recipient address, postcode, and so on. And you can also choose between e-wallet and local bank account. And this in case that you do not know his bank details. Now, if you know his bank details and he already sent you his bank details, you can click on I know their bank details. Then you can just only fill in the full name of the account holder and the recipient preferred language. Then click on confirm. Once you finish, you will have to review the details and review the amount of money that you have sent him. Then you are going to enter into the payment process, and finally you will be able to send him the money. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.